Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SONY WH-CH720N headphones and I'm going to show you how can I easily reset settings to default. At first we have to scroll all the way down to device settings and then we have to click system. Now we have to scroll down again to initialize settings. Here we can see initialize app headphone settings. You can reset app settings and settings of connected headphones to their initial state, or initialize headphones to default state. You can reset the connected headphones to the default state. We can choose, for example, I want to choose this one. Here, as you can see, the following headphone information will be initialized to the default state. App settings and data, as well as settings and data backed up on the server, will not be deleted. And here's what will be deleted. Here we have to click initialize and OK. And as you can see, we have forgotten our headphones from our app too. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.